So you are interested in purchasing some meme coins and making that Lambo money, but you have no idea where to start. You came to the right video. I will give you the full step-by-step breakdown on how to purchase meme coins with your Trust wallet. By the end of this video, you'll be a meme coin master and you'll be able to purchase pretty much any meme coin on the BNB Smart Chain. So make sure you watch the video all the way through. And before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn Bitcoin on every single purchase. And now let's jump right into it. But before we jump into this tutorial, I want to make one thing clear. Meme coins are extremely risky. Yeah, you can make millions of dollars with them. You can buy a Lambo, a mansion, all of that stuff. But you can also lose every single dollar that you put in. There are tons of scams, tons of rug pulls, tons of projects that don't do absolutely nothing. So keep that in mind and make sure to do your own research before you invest in any meme coin at all. Do your diligence, be cautious, and only invest money that you are willing to lose. And now let's jump straight into the tutorial. So the first thing that you have to do is download the Trust wallet. It is available on all iPhones and Android phones, so you'll be able to download it with one click of a button. Once you download and open the Trust wallet on your mobile phone, it will ask you to create a wallet. If you already have Trust wallet set up and your wallet's created, you can simply fast forward. If not, continue watching. Once you press create your wallet, it will take you to this screen. Right here, it will show you your wallet's recovery phrase. This is extremely important. You have to keep this secret simply because whoever has your recovery phrase will be able to access your wallet. So you have to write these words down. You can take a screenshot and add it to your phone, whatever is easier, but make sure you keep it hidden. And then once you get these words down on paper, you'll move on to the next step. In the next step, you'll be asked to pretty much take those words and put them in order like they were in the previous step. Once you put them in order, you'll be able to continue and you'll be able to create your wallet. Once your wallet is created, it will look something like this. So once you have created your wallet, your next step is to fund it. The majority of meme coins are traded with BNB, so you will have to buy some BNB and transfer it over into your Trust wallet. The way I personally do it is with the KuCoin exchange. I end up purchasing some BNB on there and then I transfer it over into my Trust wallet. You can also use other exchanges that support BNB such as Binance.us and a couple of other exchanges. That is the best way that I know to fund your Trust wallet with BNB. So once you fund your wallet with BNB, we can move on to step number 2. So in step number 2, you are going to open your browser and you are going to type in pancakeswap.finance. This is for my iPhone users. If you have an Android or other phone, it will be inside of the app. But for all the iPhone users, that is what you have to do. So once you are on PancakeSwap in the app or on the browser, it will look exactly the same. It will look something like this. The first step is to connect your wallet. So you're going to press the connect button. Once you press the connect button, it will look something like this. You can choose Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and there's a couple of other wallets. But for this video, we are going to be using the Trust Wallet. So we are going to select Trust Wallet. Once you press Trust Wallet, it will pretty much open your wallet and ask you to confirm the connection. And then on PancakeSwap, your wallet will be connected and it will show your BNB balance. This is where things get very interesting. So then on PancakeSwap, you're gonna have two options. From is the BNB that you'll be using to purchase the meme coin. And then on the bottom option, you're going to press select currency. Once you press select currency, it will give you the option to paste the contract address. Most of the meme coins are not going to be on PancakeSwap, especially if they are just being released or if they are brand new. So you are going to use the contract address from the meme coin and you're going to paste it in there. Once you paste the contract address, it will look something like this and you'll be able to import the coin that you are trying to purchase. And then you're going to press I understand and then press import. And then the coin will appear. So the next step is entering the amount of BNB that you want to use to purchase. So for example, you can enter in 0.01 BNB or however much BNB you want to use on that specific meme coin. And then on the bottom, it will show you how many tokens you are going to receive. But this is where things can get a little bit tricky, and you're probably going to get some errors that will not let you buy that specific meme coin. So the thing that you have to do is press on the little circle to adjust the settings. As you can see, they have standard, fast, and instant transactions. Also on the bottom, you can see the slippage. The slippage is very, very important. Most meme coins require you to put a 10% slippage in order to purchase. A lot of the 10% gets distributed to holders, to the marketing, to like the community, and a ton of other stuff. So most meme coins require 10% or more. But keep in mind, the faster the transaction, the higher the slippage, the less meme coins you are going to receive. So if the website or their Telegram group or whatever you find out about the coin states to put a 10% slippage, start out with 10% on the lowest speed. And then if the transaction does not go through or you get some kind of error, then increase the slippage by 1% and then increase by another 1% until your transaction goes through. Also, you can increase the speed as well from standard to fast to instant. But keep in mind, a lot of the newer meme coins, you'll probably have to adjust the slippage in order to be able to purchase. So once you have deposited BNB into your wallet, once you have pasted the contract address and imported the coin like you see on the bottom with Baby Doge, and then you have set the slippage, you are ready to press swap. And then once you press swap, it will ask you to confirm the transaction, and then you will end up purchasing that particular meme coin. Also keep in mind, you do need some BNB Smart Chain in your wallet for the transaction fees. They are very small. They're pretty much under $1 on most transactions. But once you get the regular BNB, this is how you swap it for some Smart Chain BNB. Alright, so you're going to click on BNB in your wallet and it will take you to a page that looks something like this. And then all you have to do is press swap and then swap to Smart Chain. Once you press swap to Smart Chain, it will ask you how much you want to swap. Personally, I like to swap at least $20 to $30 worth. That way I will have enough Smart Chain to cover the buying and selling fees. You do not want to be stuck in a situation where you purchase a meme coin and it goes from $100 to $10,000, and then when you try to sell, you do not have any BNB, you do not have any Smart Chain in your wallet to cover the $1 transaction cost, and then you're not going to be able to sell. So keep that in mind. Always keep some reserves in BNB and in Smart Chain in order to cover the transactions. Alright everybody, that concludes this tutorial, and that is how you purchase meme coins with your Trust wallet on PancakeSwap using BNB. Very easy and simple. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to try to help out as much as I possibly can. And as always, do your own research, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.